Your garden's being attacked and you don't even know it. Most gardeners can't spot the pests eating their plants until it's too late. Here's how to identify them before they destroy everything. Step 1. Check the undersides of leaves first. This is where most pests hide. Aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies cluster on leaf bottoms away from sunlight. Flip leaves gently and look for tiny insects or sticky residue. Step 2. Look for specific damage patterns. Slug damage creates large, irregular holes. Japanese beetles skeletonize leaves, eating tissue between veins. Caterpillars leave ragged edges. The damage type tells you the pest. Step 3. Inspect stems and soil near the base. Look for sawfly larvae, scale insects clinging to stems, or soil-dwelling grubs. Use a small brush to gently scrape bark. Pests often hide in crevices and under bark flakes. Step 4. Identify by size and color. Tiny green or black dots are likely aphids. White cottony clusters are mealybugs. Spotted beetles are ladybugs. Beneficial, not pests. Keep a simple reference guide or use your phone camera to photograph and compare. Pro tip: check your plants twice weekly during growing season. Early detection stops infestations before they spread. Most gardeners wait too long. What pest have you battled most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more garden tips. Visit Sikho.ai.